Pull away in the air, there's a man in the deep. Omarzai into the attack, and who else? Naveen, brilliant with the ball, now in the deep, and Ireland sink further.
That's the big wicket Afghanistan would be very pleased to have taken. Azmatullah Omarzai, we were talking about him looking for some confidence going into the IPL, and what a wicket to your name. Harry Tector, the man that could have saved Ireland for sure. You would skill and talent that he has, couldn't do it today. 16 for him, Ireland are 39 for 4.
Chip that away, could be out, should be out, is out. He's got another one, and the same guy's taken the catch. Dockrell this time departs.
Fast bowlers union producing wicket here, pitching up, trying to flick it through the onside, toe ending it. And a fine catch taken by Naveen Ullah, inches above the ground. George Dockrell goes for 3. 46 for 5. Drinks on the field.
Azmatullah Omarzai.
Ball! Adair goes, and Omarzai is better. Ireland 7 down.
Yeah, it's just been his day with the ball, isn't it? Mark Adair tried to clear the boundary rope, gets an edge back onto the wicket. Omarzai gets his 3rd for the night. Ireland lose their 7th, 91 on the board. In Afghanistan. Oh, got him! That's a very, very good catch. Azmatullah Omarzai, things are just in him. The Afghan fans are just loving it. This is the 4th for Azmatullah Omarzai. Appreciated by the teammates. That is absolutely his best figures, 4 for 9 for now, and he's got one more delivery to bowl.
So I think he was expecting this to come back a lot quicker than it did. It's come off the splice of the back. His hands are there and waiting and waiting and waiting. The ball eventually gets there. He has a chuckle to himself. Barry McCarthy doesn't. And Ireland 93 for 8.